Hi everyone, and welcome to Safety Tips for using a drill press and a miter saw. So, the footage that you're seeing here is a GoPro that's been attached to me for a current project that I've been working on for my thesis. So I'd like to share with you some safety tips and tricks for how to use some tools. So as you just saw, I just put some ear protection on, which is vital when working in a wood shop. The three most important things are eye safety, ear safety, and mouth safety. These are my opinions, but I feel like this is very important when moving forward in a wood shop. You need your ear protection to keep your ears safe from loud equipment like the miter saw that you just saw. You need eye protection in case wood chips or sand dust is to fly up into your face. And then a mask is very important to protect your lungs because when working in a wood shop, there's lots of particulates that are pushed up into the air, so it's very easy to breathe that in. So by wearing a mask, you're able to prevent the total amount of sawdust and other particulates that enter your lungs. So these are only a few of the many different safety tips that are important to take account for while working in a wood shop. So for others, look to the infographic provided in the lesson above to check out the rest. Now here I'm going to explain how to use a drill press. So this is what we're looking at right here. A drill press is a type of drilling machine similar to like a hand drill, but it's in a more upfront, a straight up setup as seen here. So right here I'm taking this plug out of the bit that's currently in the drill press, and what I'm doing here is I'm taking this southern pine and I'm cutting wood plugs out of it. So these plugs are meant to go into wooden holes that I'm going to be cutting into a bench that I'm making. So I need at least 100 of these plugs. So this is me starting the process here. So here using this drill, I'm cutting another hole into this test piece of southern pine that I'm using here to see how the plugs fit. So these plugs are cut at 1/8 of an inch diameter, and or actually, excuse me, a 1/2 inch diameter, and they're being put into 1/8 inch diameter holes. These plugs are actually cut in a way so that they're tapered, so the top end is smaller than the bottom end, so that they're able to be kindly melted into the wood to create a flush finish when cutting off the excess from the top. So, other mind all that, this is how you use a drill press. So here I'm inserting the bit carefully, making sure that the machine is off while I'm doing so. And then once I'm ready, I'm going to turn on the flip to get the machine going, and it's important to keep your hands away from the machine at all times because that bit is spinning very fast. So here I'm using the handle to push down into the wood and cut out these plugs. It's really just as simple as that. Down and up, just to cut out these plugs, and then just to check what I got going on here, I'm going to turn it off. And if a plug gets stuck in the wood like that, you're able to use a screwdriver or such to pop it out. Once the plug is free, I'm able to inspect it, and here you can kind of see the tapered bit of it. I'm going to take the small end, put it in the hole, and mallet it down. So also when I like to cut these wood plugs, I mark the top side of the wood where I cut into it, because that's got to be the smaller end. So understanding where it's marked allows me to easily insert it when I'm putting it into the wood for the finished product. So these are some quick, simple steps of how to use a drill press. I hope you enjoyed the video, and to learn more about other tools, feel free to check out the internet to see how to safely manage and handle these tools. Thanks for watching.